Alright, so I've used these ramps a few times today. They are made of an aluminum and they do fold up, and it does fold up in half, so 5 feet. Each ramp handles up to 600 pounds. They do also come with these tie downs to help hold them down in place. Oh shit, no. Ah! Well, that worked. All right, so when you're all done, now you can take them, fold them up in half so you can store them a little bit easier. But if you're looking for some pretty good ramps, these will handle up to 600 pounds each, and these do work pretty well.